Welcome to Papa Rides with your host, Papa Foxtrot. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and smash that notification bell.
So today on Papa's Garage, we're going to drop one of our motorcycles on the ground on purpose so that Mrs. Foxtrot can show you how to pick up a motorcycle.
So this is a Honda Shadow Spirit 750 2005. I inherited this bike from my mom, who learned to ride this bike. This is a fantastic first bike for most people. It can be a little powerful for some, not powerful enough for others, but as a general rule, this is a really good starter bike. It's very friendly, it doesn't have too much power, it has a nice low seat, which does make it good for women and shorter riders in general. So today we are going to lay it over on its side. I'm sure from the opening you thought we were going to lay down Papa's Heritage. We are not going to lay down Papa's Heritage on purpose. We'll go ahead and practice with the Honda.
All right, you ready?
See if we can kind of gently.
All right, it's your show.
Oh no, it went down! Okay. By the way, this is the first time I have ever picked up and down a motorcycle. So, first thing you do, if it's laying on the appropriate side, you put the kickstand down. You also make sure that it is in first gear, not in neutral. Then you get yourself down, place your ass down on the seat, grab hold of the bars and a hard piece on here. Let's see if I can do this. Oy.
Thank you, Mrs. Foxtrot, for your time and energy. I appreciate it.